Alright guys, it's a wet and windy La Matta. I'm going to open the door, but I got my shoes on. So I just want to show you that the conservatory started. These bits over here are the roof sections. They've strapped them down temporary. I'm hoping they'll get those up on Monday. Well, they were supposed to do it yesterday, but they put the handrails out. See, all the rails go around the side. There will be glass dropped in there, coming all the way around. There's the new divider up here, so the roof goes there. Foam injected panels on the frame, and it should be enough weight load so I can put solar panels on there later. Span from this roof right across. Should be more than enough for the whole house. As you can see, it's not the best today. It's very windy. It's been raining. We've been down to Ikea today. Lee will be got a spatula from when he makes cakes. Did you get a spatula for your cakes today, Hub?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretending that he's not really there. He's looking the other way, but pretend to be busy. Got one of these for my desk, because this will be sitting on my desk once that sort of goes out there. TV unit's nearly set up there. So as soon as these guys are finished, electric's in. I expect to be a live space within about a month. Got to go over the render again. Still got another couple of coats to put on it. But like I said, it's getting there. Wasn't expecting to be a one-hit thing. I think it was going to take me a while, and although I've spent the Christmas holiday time doing a bit of work on it, has tidied it up a lot, but still not 100% there. But we'll see, because I might be getting some other guys to come and finish it anyway, because now the conservatory's there. I can put a little bit of money in the bank for the guys to basically get the rendering done. Then we start here, because obviously all that desk area is coming out. That'll be out there. Then we're looking at doing something here with the stairs, because we want to sort of take the rails now down and take it across. So that, say for example, we put sofa here, could have another TV over there for Ubi and his mates. You know, got the sofa bed there when they sort of crash out when they're overdoing teenage stuff. But I'm glad it's getting there. You know, because it's been such a long journey to get to this point, that it caused stagnation with a lot of other stuff, because I can't sort of move on to the next thing till this is finished, and that's my big problem with it. But the last Thursday and Friday when they started work, it was just it was a boost. You know, new year. Okay, the guys are a month behind, but they're getting there. And obviously, got to sort the plants out next. You can see this little guy is enjoying his new position here, but he's taken up a fair bit of room. So we are talking about moving it up for now until we fill this area in. But still working out the best method of doing that, because you've got to keep it so around here you still got your head clearance as you come up the stairs. So it's sort of from across there, this area goes out, handrail from there round. May change it to the glass similar to outside, so it takes up less space. But I'm looking forward to it no longer looking like a junk shop up here. I'm sure Uber will like it for the having more space to VR in. Still not saying anything, it's busy. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick update today. Not a lot else to say at the minute. Back to work next week, in the sense of in the UK, be running around London for a couple of weeks. But yeah, plants seem happier as well. Look how happy he is. Look at the colour in his leaves. Banana plant's recovering as well. He was looking pretty dead But he's starting to grow some green on the top now as well, since we've all been hiding in here out the cold and wet. Now obviously once the conservatory's there, they've got a new home anyway. Yeah, can't wait. But once that's in, we can start moving for our new objectives, moving things forward. But thanks for watching. But I just want to do a quick update saying it's finally getting there. Thanks for watching.